It's another beautiful day to eat and enjoy delicious delicacies from Chima's kitchen. So welcome to another episode of Sweet Mouth or Noto, and today we are making Gizzard and Dodo sauce. For this recipe we'll be needing our gizzard. We'll chop into smaller bits and marinate and fry in our oil until it's golden brown. Then we'll go ahead and add our ginger paste and chopped onions. I'll let this simmer in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes because we want the flavor to incorporate into the meat. And when that is done, I'll add in my blended pepper mix. I don't like much pepper in my food, so add your pepper as much as you like. I like to fry my fresh pepper first before adding in my tomato paste because this gives it a nice taste and it also gives it this pepper taste even if the pepper is not much in the food. I'll add in my tomato paste at this point, curry powder and rosemary. Now we are going to mix this together and let it fry until our stew base is done. I would like to say a very big thank you to our followers and subscribers who has been liking and sharing our videos. We can't do this without you guys. Thank you so much. And for the amazing people who are yet to give us a follow and a thumb up, this is your gentle reminder. We love you. Thank you so much. So I will add in some chicken seasoning and Maggi cube before adding my meat stock. Stir to combine and taste to adjust seasoning if necessary. I tested and adjusted with salt because it needed salt. Now it's time to add my already fried plantain. Remember to fry and set your plantain aside. I'll also add in my finely diced carrots at this point. So I'll go ahead and stir to mix this properly before adding in my bell peppers, and that's green, yellow and red pepper. It's going to give it this beautiful taste. Now my spring onions. We'll also go ahead and add in our sweet chili sauce to give it that mad sweet taste. Oh, trust me, you will enjoy every bit of this delicacy. I also added in light soy sauce to keep the flavors bursting, and our food is ready. Go ahead and serve with rice or anything you want to eat it with. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. You can go ahead and enjoy your gizzard and dodo sauce. We love you so much. Bye.